Hey, my beautiful sweet friends, how you doing today? Hey, it's me, Sharita Jones, checking back in with another video. How to start your YouTube channel using your smartphone. Just wanted to come and share that with you. So hey everyone, welcome to the channel. I appreciate you, all you guys who are watching. So today we're going to talk about how you can start your own YouTube channel using your smartphone, guys. If you've been wanting to create content but think you need fancy equipment, think again. You don't, guys. You can use your smartphone. So let's dive right in, guys. So using your smartphone, guys, before recording, all you have to do is think about what you're going to record. Think about what you want to record and what you will be focusing on that you're going to be adding to your channel. Are you into tech reviews, beauty, gaming, tutorials, cooking, grocery shopping, singing, dancing, or vlogging? There are so many things that you can do, guys. So many things that you can do, from gardening, you name it. The sky's the limit. Write down some ideas and organize your thoughts. It's important to have a clear vision to keep your audience engaged. So you want to put some stuff together that you know that your audience will like, and just go for it, guys. Create a content calendar. That's the tip. You can create a content calendar and you can plan out your videos ahead of time. And then you can make a schedule for you to upload those videos on those particular days. Now that you have an idea, let's talk about recording. Use the camera app on your phone. Most modern phones that you have, from Android to iPhone, have amazing camera quality. Hold your phone horizontally to avoid those black bars on the side. You know, those bars you get on the side, those black bars when you're uploading. Make sure you have good lighting, natural lighting. The light from the window works wonders. Keep the camera steady. If you don't have a tripod, you can prop your phone up on a book or something that you could stack your phone on, just so you can get some kind of leverage, or hold your phone up against something. Once you've recorded your footage, it's time to edit it, right? You don't have to edit it, especially if you don't know how to edit. You can just upload the video as is, but there are free apps that you can use, like iMovie on your iPhone, or InShot, or KineMaster, I think they call it, for Android. Trim out unnecessary parts and add transitions. You can add background music and maybe some text to keep it interesting. You can keep your video concise and aim for a video length between 5 minutes to 10 minutes, especially when you're just starting out, guys. And if you only do 60 seconds, that's better than not doing nothing at all. So just record, upload, go for it. Okay, thumbnails are super important, but you don't have to use thumbnails if you don't want to. They're the first thing that people see before uploading, or before you're clicking on your video. Those are the first things they see, is your thumbnail. So you can use free apps like Canva or PicMonkey to create eye-catching thumbnails. Use bright colors and large text to make it stand out. You don't have to do this if you're not comfortable using it yet, but you can learn how and do it later, all the things. But you can make a video and then upload it. And then after editing it, open the YouTube app and then tap on that plus bar on YouTube, and then you can upload that video by clicking on that plus bar. Give your video a catchy title, and then you can give it a detailed description. And don't forget to use hashtags. You don't have to use hashtags, but you can if you like. So select the best thumbnail and then hit upload, guys. And that's it. That's it, guys. Starting your YouTube journey doesn't require any fancy equipment. All you have to do, guys, is just use your smartphone. Your smartphone is more than enough to get you going. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell so you never miss another video upload from me. So I thank you so much. Let me know in the comments, what kind of videos will you be making? What kind of videos will you be posting? And what kind of content would you like to see from me next? So thank you so much for tuning in, guys. Hope you're having a super fantastic day. You are amazing. Most importantly, guys, make it an amazing day for someone else. And if you know someone that can use this video, guys, please share this video with them. Thank you so much. See you guys in the next video. Bye for now, friends.